Definitely, it would be remarkable and distinguishable among others. Just imagine here, if you have your article and published on different platforms, it could be on your website, in your blog, WordPress, or Medium.com, LinkedIn, and so on. So now, how we can actually make this article with high value for readers and for visitors? Just think about it. For sure, we can find someone tells us that you can make your own article organized more with headings, subheadings, tables, bullet points, and so on. Yes, it's a fantastic way for sure here. It's one of the must steps here. You've got to actually make your own article more appealing to your visitors and your readers by organizing it beautifully, elegantly, and for sure the flow of these headings, subheadings, and so on. And you can find other people just to say make your article with affiliate links to increase its value. For sure here it's okay actually to distribute different links here in your website promoting different affiliate products, but for sure with a few links, if you spam your own article with affiliate links, it could lower its value, not get higher. So one of the best ways here to make your own article more valuable for your readers and for visitors, for sure, just by giving away a freebie for your readers. And of course, it's an amazing way to monetize your own article. That means when you actually make your own article, every single article in your website and in your account on Medium or Substack and so on, and if you give a freebie for your reader, it makes people and your readers love you and trust you, and for sure they get these freebies, and in which you can actually promote a higher level digital product or affiliate product and upsell and so on. In addition, these freebies make readers and make your own audience trust these articles written by your own and natural and real person, not actually AI assistant. If you just actually get help from ChatGPT or Gemini to write this article. When you give your people a freebie or a free guide or a free digital item, here it could be a gold mine for these readers. Love you, trust you, and for sure you can convert them to higher valuable or high ticket digital item. How we can actually convert this article and how to get ideas to build these digital items that you can provide as for free or as a paid items. Here I just built for you this amazing tool that is article to income, the smartest way to monetize any article with high value digital products or lead magnets. Of course, lead magnets that enables you to build your own email list from these readers and your buyer and your audience, or high value digital products. So here simply and easily, all you have to do is just insert here the link of your own published article. It could be on Medium.com, LinkedIn, WordPress, Substack, and so on. It would give you a full report of these amazing digital product ideas that you can provide later on in your article as freebie or paid digital products. And of course here in the beginning, if you actually don't have your articles published yet, so you can use Ask to Income tool to actually make a beautiful and full humanized article and optimize for SEO and AI search engines as you want. So if you click over this button, you'll be taken to this amazing tool, Ask to Income. That's packed with a huge database of people also ask questions from Google, and of course you convert people question and demand into beautiful digital income and digital income system. Like this, for example, I just pick one of these niches like dating and relationship with a hot topic, with a hot and trending topic like this one, and get one of these frequent questions here from social media or from Google. Then you can go to this content to catch it back, where you can find this blog article where you can get an amazing article here as you observe, like this one, as you see. So you can take this huge article and full humanized article and publish it on your WordPress website and your Medium.com as you like. Then you can go to article to income to insert its link here in this field. And of course, it's a free tool that you can use as you want. So you can set here the link of your article, like you can get the link of your article and your blog post from WordPress, or you can just, for example, look for something here like how to lose weight while pregnant here. So you can take one of these links as you like, or some topics like tips to fall asleep fast, okay, or even these topics around relationship and dating and so on, like how to fix relationship problems here. So you can get one of these links as you like this one, for example. Copy link address and go to article to income, insert here this link as if it's yours, okay. Then click over this button, monetize this article. Just in a few seconds here, you can find this amazing report as you observe your income generating ideas here, estimated value and potential revenue per article as you observe. So you can find a plenty of these amazing golden product ideas that you can provide for free or paid, or as paid tool, as paid digital products. So here you can find the product one, like the relationship revival checklist. For sure, it just resolves and solves problems that ignited in your and within your own article. So people curious to get this one with high conversion rate. So you can go to this one, like the relationship revival checklist, the format checklist, the target audience, women feeling disconnected and wanting to revive their marriage. And here you can find this golden monetization funnel that starts with free version, lead magnet to build your own email list, like a brief checklist of essential questions to ask yourself about your relationship, contains purpose here, and the bid version, the next step here, the value, and you can find this the higher level to upsell your own offer here, and why this converts perfectly, and marketing hook that that you can take as a call to action that you can write inside your own article to convert your readers to get this freebie or your bid version or your stuff as you observe. Then you can find two options here. Either you can build your own digital item as well using Ask to Income, or you can build it manually using any different tool, any tool like Canva, Notion, Google Slides, Game.app, and as you like. So the second option, the product number 2, likewise, the clarity conversion template here, monetization funnel here, the marketing hook PDF guide, the product number 3, and so on and so forth as you observe. So here you can just enrich your own article with high valuable digital products. It could be they could be freebie or paid digital products. So for example, the next step here, how we can actually create these digital product. So for example, if I can take something like the product number 1, the relationship revival checklist. So here you can see these options here. So you can, as you want, it's up to you to create your own checklist, and it's a mini version here or freebie using any other tool, or you can use Ask to Income. So if you go to Ask to Income here, you can go to this Ask to Income, and here in this field here that says add your own question or your idea. Here you can insert here the details or some points, some sentences regarding and about your own digital product you want to generate. So regarding my own prepay here, so I can take something like the checklist and the target audience like this. Okay, so you can take these things or the kida or this one. Okay, that's it. And you can decide if you just want to make your own free version, you can combine these sentences with these things. Okay, like this. That's it. Or if you just make a bit version, you can just combine these ones with these sentences as you observe, and so on and so forth. So I can take them, quickly copy, and insert here on Ask to Income like this, and click over this button add. It could be in this way. Then you can go down below to the section that says Premium Digital Product Empire. So click over this button, checklist bundle here, and just in about 1 minute you can find this amazing checklist bundle here. High valuable digital product from Ask to Income. It could be like this emotional readiness assessment here, scheduling, quality time, personal reflection questions here, effective communication restore, building empathy daily, reviving intimacy stepwise, emotional safety practices, physical intimacy and boundaries, and much more of these amazing checklists inside your own bundle that you can provide as a freebie. It's up to you, or a paid valuable digital product here inside your own article with smoothly conversion, with smoothly transfer your reader to take an action here to get your PDF guide, your checklist, your spreadsheet as you want. And of course, as I said earlier, here you can build your own digital product everywhere you want, anywhere you want, on using different tools or ask to income as you like, that convert people demand to beautiful income system. And of course, here you have some advantages here using ask to income also with article to income tool. Here it gives you higher limit and higher credits here per month. If you just join ask to income and its higher plans, you can get automatically the higher plan using article to income. If you just make your blog post daily and publish them everywhere as you like. So now you can use article to income. As I said earlier, as I said, you can build here your own digital items here. It could be like that would be in a free form or a paid form. So now it's time when you just generate your own digital product using my own ask to income tool. Here it's time to just publish this digital product here inside a platform. So you can sell this digital item or provide it as a freebie using different platforms like beacons.ai or gumroad.com, as I said, to just make your own email list or sell it as a digital item here with monetization funnel. Okay, so you can use Gumroad, you can use beacons.ai as you want, and of course just leave down below in the first comment and description box the best websites and the platforms where you can sell your own digital items as you like. And of course you can build your own digital items here also using different tools as you like, using Canva, using gamma.app or Gemini using a Canva's feature, gamma.app, notebook LM as you like. And of course, as I said here, you can take your own links of your blog post that you have published in different platforms. It could be on medium.com. Okay, it's amazing. From LinkedIn articles, from Quora Space, from WordPress website, from Substack as you want. That way, you can monetize your own article here magically and unbelievably using article to income as you like. That makes your people trust you, loves you, and for sure build your own email list faster than you can think, and for sure get sales faster as well. So now start with a free plan here on article to income to monetize your own article. You have 2 beautiful digital items and sell them as a real entrepreneur or a business owner. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.